we have a worker conference at the under Tulasikong area, West Rasnagar area. And in this conference, we are going to reform two committees, Youth ipft committee and IWFT committee, Women Wing committee, going to form newly. And as you know, nowadays ipft is coming up in every district, every subdivision. People are coming and joining our program, joining our party. So it is a sign of development. And now people are realizing, people are supporting our movement, our cause, because as you know, our indigenous people of Tripura, especially tribal people of Tripura, are suffering and depriving for the last 70 years. Therefore, our party, ipft, is the only party in Tripura who are really fighting for the cause of our people, and we are struggling and we are fighting for the cause of our people. So people are now accepting our sentiment, accepting our demand, and it is even here in the rural areas, especially in rural areas. Now people are coming up and supporting our movement. So this is a sign of result, and hopefully in the coming ADC election, district council election, who is going to help within 2-3 months. Definitely our party, ipft party, will perform well, and we are very hopeful and confident that our party will form the government in ADC council. Thank you.